Today on the Stay at Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make slow cooker turkey breasts. A slow cooker is always going to be a great option for cooking turkey breast. It leaves space in the oven for other goodies to accompany it, and it produces a moist and tender result every time. You'll need a 3 to 8 pound turkey breast, and when it comes to turkey breasts, you've got options. This right here is a bone-in turkey breast with both sides of the breast. You'll also see one side of the turkey breast sold or boneless turkey breast. This recipe works with any and all of those options. The only thing that really matters is that your turkey breast fits inside your slow cooker. That is the most important part here. The size of your average slow cooker is 6 quarts. With a 6-quart slow cooker, you're gonna have a hard time squeezing in anything bigger than a 6-pound turkey breast. For our seasonings, you'll need 2 teaspoons each of paprika, salt, dried oregano, and dried rosemary. You'll also need 1 teaspoon each of dried thyme, black pepper, onion powder, and garlic powder. Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil and stir this all together to form a paste. This is so simple and straightforward, it's almost ridiculously easy. Use your fingers to get in there in the turkey breast and loosen up the skin. So you'll slide your fingers in between the skin and the meat and just kind of pull it open. We're gonna take some of that seasoning mixture and spoon it right inside, and you're gonna use your fingers to press it down in there so that you can get the seasoning onto the meat. Make sure you flip it around and enter from both sides so you get as much seasoning directly on the meat as possible. You'll use about half on the inside. Then we're gonna spread the rest on the outside of our turkey. And yes, my hands are absolutely filthy, but honestly, that's just the reality of working with a big turkey breast, so I'm keeping it real with you. After washing your hands, go ahead and pop the lid on and cook on low for 5 to 6 hours or on high for 2 to 3 hours. Now, the slow cooker is super forgiving when it comes to time, but your cooking time will vary a little bit based on the size of your turkey breast and whether it is boneless or bone-in. A bone-in does take a little bit longer to cook. What you're doing is looking for an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. After a few hours, your turkey is done. Now you can serve it as is, but if you are a crispy skin lover like me, what you're gonna do is remove the crock insert from the crock pot and place it in the oven so that the turkey is about 6 inches beneath the broiler setting. And then let it broil on high, or you can go low if you're worried about it burning, for just about 3 to 5 minutes to crisp up that skin. You can see the skin start to bubble up. That's exactly what you're looking for to know it's crisp. I'm gonna go ahead and put the insert back, and then we are ready to eat. It really is that easy. If you want, you can even use the juices in the crock pot to make the most delicious gravy using my ultimate guide for how to make homemade gravy. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description. Be sure to subscribe, like, and follow, and check out the rest of my videos where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. We'll see you later.